How to fix Valorant Vanguard problem easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. All you need to do first, just type here services, and now scroll down until you find here VGC, and here is it. Right click on it and then click restart, and after that just type here background apps. Now close all the background apps that you will find here, or you can just turn off the first option and you can turn off all those applications, and then restart your PC and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.